Yo, what's up? Welcome back to another hotel review. I'm at Genting, Malaysia, Genting Highlands. Up in Malaysia, I'm at the First World Hotel. This place actually has a bunch of hotels, but I think I'm at the budget hotel. Quick things to take into consideration. I don't know how much this room costs. I don't know the name of this room. I'm here for a line dance competition and they actually gave us this room for free. I just know this room can fit 3 people and I gotta show you in a bit. Before we continue, I'm gonna need a favor from you. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Do that now for me. Please help me out. I have a lot of Malaysia content. Please feel free to check out all my Malaysia content. Like, comment, and subscribe. Please. Okay, alright, on with the review now. Alright, when you first walk in the door, you see right here, this hallway is actually very tight. I've been to some of the other rooms and they are even tighter. So I actually got a bigger room as compared to some of my friends. You turn to the left and this is your toilet, shower, whatever. One thing I will say, this is your shower. It's not a bad shower. You know, it's not too big, but it's not too small. Could be a little bit bigger. Okay. After you take a shower, you step out here. There's no door, dude. So you're gonna shower like you're gonna change your clothes butt naked. So if you got roommates, it might be a little bit awkward, dude. Then you get your toilet here. Okay, I would say there's no fan exhaust. So if you take a shit with friends, your room might stink because, as you can see, it kind of just opens up. So evidence just come out here, man. So it's actually pretty bad. I think there's only one mirror in the whole hotel room. You have a dryer, you have hand soap. So pretty small restroom area. Then you got over here, they do give you a bunch of coffees and teas and your kettle pop. I think this is hand wipes. I don't know what this is. Kleenex, hand wipes. I don't know what this is, man. They do have a fridge for you to use. I don't know what this is. This was in here already, man. Awkward. Then you have this little area to kind of hang your clothes. And I won't call this a desk because it's kind of soft, but I did put some of my stuff out here. So it was actually very useful. Then you have a queen bed and you have a twin bed. The bed is kind of like the other bed I stayed on. It is actually very hard. Not the softest. The pillows are soft though. Not too bad. You got a phone, place to put your stuff. And you're over here. Another place to put your stuff. Look at this, dude. Look how ghetto this is, man. Wallpaper coming off, man. Honestly, I never even opened this before, man. But oh, this is my view. Yeah, can't even see anything, honestly, man. Can't even see anything because they got that stuff covering up, man. So it's stupid, dude. So that's it, man. Oh yeah, you got a small SUV, dude. Man, fucking high class, fancy hotel. Oh, it's supposed to be fancy, man. Room from the other side. Oh, they do not have AC. All you got is this fan switch right here, dude. Okay, let me talk about the outlets. So you got outlets here. You turn off the lights here by your bed. Then you have some USB ports here. I never use these USB ports because honestly, you don't know what it's connected to. It could be connected to a computer, so it can actually download your information from you. So FYI, don't just plug your USB into wall outlets, man. You don't know what it connects to. Then you got some more outlets over here. So in my opinion, this hotel, man, I mean, there's a bunch of hotels room in Genting, so I don't know how the other compares to this, but man, this one is crap, dude. Honestly, dude, like the hotel I stayed in Chinatown, Malaysia, paid like what, $25 a night. It's way better than this, man. I mean, like, this is supposed to be like a casino. They advertise as the world's biggest hotel, this and that, and they advertise a lot of stuff, man. But this is crap, dude. Like, when I think of casino hotels, I think of like Las Vegas. This does not have a Las Vegas vibe to it, dude. I haven't explored the whole hotel. I ate some of the food here. The food isn't the best, but it's not bad either. It's definitely more expensive than, in a KL. The food is better here than in the States too, don't get me wrong. But street food is really good in Kuala Lumpur. Here you have more restaurants, you have more chains. You have a bunch of chains, dude. Like, you have American chains, Malaysian chains, all kind of chains, like chains from like different areas. They got this one area just for like drinking, I guess like partying, clubbing, whatever you want to call it. They have a lot of stuff here is what I'm trying to say. So Honestly, I was so busy, I didn't get to really explore the place. I'm gonna assume there's a swimming pool, and I'm gonna assume there's a fitness center, gym, workout, whatever. I didn't do any of that stuff, man. Kinda sad I didn't get to explore this place. I know there's 2 temples around this area. I didn't even get to look at either. I hope you enjoyed this review. I know it's short, but the room is small. There's not much to talk about. There's not much to show. You know, the room, it is what it is. Would I stay here again? If I have to, man. You know, like if you come to Genting for the line dance competition, you don't really have no choice. Is what I'm trying to say. You know, they give you the room, you gotta stay there. You know, it's not like you have options unless you got money and you can, you know, book a better hotel. But if they gonna give you free stuff, then you know you might as well take advantage of it. Oh, before I forget, this hotel does not have Wi-Fi, dude. Walking around the casino or whatever you want to call it, there's no Wi-Fi, dude. Like, what the F, dude? Appreciate you watching a lot. It really means a lot to me, especially if you stay to the end. Just make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Share the video. Help me out. Today is August 7th, 2023. This video probably won't be out until 2024 or the end of 2023. I have so many videos to upload. But right now, I'm about 800 subscribers. I need 1,000 subscribers, man. Help me out, please. I'm out. Peace.